Hello, I just want to introduce myself. My name is Brent. I'm the owner of Cracks and Chips Windshield Repair. I'm independently owned and operated based out of Salt Lake City, Utah. I specialize in repairing windshields. I do not replace. If you have a small rock chip or a larger rock chip, or even sometimes a crack up to about 16 inches in length can be repaired. All my repairs come with a lifetime guarantee against spreading or any defects. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out by phone or text during normal business hours. Otherwise, if you have any questions, you can also head over to my website where you can find out all the information, the areas that I service, all my pricing, as well as booking appointments. You can book appointments online at any time. Again, I want to thank you. If you feel free to reach out at any time. Thank you.